We all deserve a healthier, better world. At JLC-Tech, we strive to be the best versions of ourselves, and our great ambition is to help create environments that improve the way we live, work, and play. Starting with where we design and create. Our new factory supports sustainable power by harnessing solar energy and giving back to the grid. As a family-owned business with strong commitment to our community, we take pride in manufacturing in Massachusetts. Our product lifecycle begins with an ecosystem of local suppliers. Climate change is a major concern, and we are aware of the impact the manufacturing industry has on the world. We feel a responsibility to be transparent with our end users about the production of our products. That's why we use platforms like the Health Product Declaration Collaborative to provide insight into the materials of our lighting solutions. We pay attention to what we include in them and aim to eliminate any harmful substances to minimize environmental and health risks. At our factory, we make a conscious effort to minimize waste by reusing packaging materials whenever possible and continue to explore environmentally friendly packaging. Our product's compact design saves on packaging supplies, transportation resources, and shipping emissions. Nearly 1,600 linear feet of T-bar LED product can fit on a single pallet, which can illuminate almost 25,000 square feet of typical office space. In comparison, shipping 2x2 troffers that provide illumination to the same square footage equates to roughly 7 times the amount of shipping material. All JLC-Tech products utilize the highest quality LED technology. Designed for optimized lifespan, their shape effectively dissipates heat from the LED, contributing to their longevity. Our fixtures are up to 95% recyclable and can be done so locally in accordance with waste facility regulations or returned to us for proper recycling. Our products embody our core belief in simplifying and improving life. This led to the creation of minimalist, low-voltage linear lighting fixture that reduces building material waste on job sites. They are a prime example of simplicity, seamlessly integrating the light fixture with the building itself. The uniquely patented design of our products can support all types of projects from new to retrofit by easily clipping into the suspended ceiling system, becoming a part of the grid. At JLC-Tech, our passion for improvement drives us every day. We constantly strive to enhance our technology and deliver even better lighting solutions for the spaces we occupy. Many of our product lines work harmoniously with USBGC LEED standards and net zero goals, from reducing building materials and waste during construction to supporting DC microgrids. Our dream is to create a brighter, simpler world, one light at a time.